Hello friends, welcome back to second episode of Demystifying Basal. I am Dr. Kapil Kalra, practicing implantologist from Gurugram. In last episode we have discussed about few advantages of basal implants, and in this episode we are going to discuss few more. In last episode we have discussed that basal implant is an immediate functional loading implant system. Almost all types of cases can be done with immediate implant system, and most of the procedures are keyhole procedures, and we can avoid bone grafting or augmentation of bone with the help of this implant system. I have mentioned all this in my previous episode. Now we are going to talk about another big advantage, which is a single stage surgical procedure. In immediate functional loading implant system, which is basal implant system, if we are doing this, if we are using these implants, these are basically single piece implant systems, so we can avoid the second stage surgery. And even if we are using their two piece implants, only one surgical procedure is done, whether you are supposed to remove teeth and place implants side by side, or if it is an edentulous patient, only single stage surgery, one surgery is required, and after that the remaining prosthetic work can be done on the next day. So it is one of the big advantage for patient, because he is not supposed to go for surgery again and again for first stage and then for prosthetic stage as in other implant systems. Guys, next big advantage is these are completely polished implants like BCS, BCS-X, or these are mainly like two-thirds of the upper two-thirds of the implant in KOS is also completely polished. So because these implants are completely polished, so they are safer to place in periodontitis cases or diabetic patients, or the cases where could be there like chances of bone loss are higher. So because these are highly polished implants, so chances of periimplantitis reduces and they come down to almost nil. So being highly polished or completely polished from tip to toe as in BCS or BCS-X is one of the big advantage, and it itself is a treatment of periodontitis. So I prefer using these implants mainly in such cases as well. Another good thing about this system is these implants are anchored high in basal bone or second or third cortical, the bone which is highly resistant to infection as well as has high repair capacity. So this advantage helps a lot because these are anchored in high basal bone, all the force is being transferred there, and this force transmission directly goes to second or third cortical. This force transmission is quite away from the first cortical, which is in close approximation with oral, which is in oral cavity, and their chances of invasion of bacteria at that site are comparatively more. So force is not being transferred on first but mainly on the second or third corticals. So force distribution is comparatively better, hence the chances of bone loss are comparatively reduced. So it is another big advantage I wanted to discuss about. One more advantage is, as this system avoids different types of procedures like sinus lift, ridge split or bone augmentation, all these kind of things, so minimum armamentarium is required. If we see basically 1, 2 or maximum 3 drills sometimes are being used for placement of these implants. So minimum number of armamentarium, because in dentistry we know that for each and every procedure there are different kits we are supposed to purchase, and that leads to additional burden to the dentist because he has to invest a lot in that. So I feel with this implant system we don't need to buy a lots of armamentarium, and easily with basic kits, 1 or 2 basic kits, we can place all the implants, especially in case of full mouth rehabilitation and even in any kind of challenging cases as well. So that's what I feel I should share with you. I have explained most of the advantages with you. There are many, but to keep the video short, and these were the main advantages I wanted to discuss with you guys. If you guys like this video, then please do share this and like and subscribe the channel as well, so that such videos further which I will be making regarding basal implants or immediate functional loading implant systems, so you will be getting these. Till then, This is Dr. Kapil Kalra signing off. Bye bye.